Good evening, dear listener. Welcome to this calm and gentle night. Right now, you are safe. You are comfortable. And you are ready to rest. Take a slow, deep breath in. And gently breathe out. Again, breathe in slowly. And let it go. There is nothing you need to do. Nothing you need to think about. This moment is only for you. Imagine a quiet night. The sky is dark and peaceful. Soft clouds move slowly above you. A gentle rain begins to fall. Not loud, not strong. Just soft, calm raindrops. The moon is hidden behind thin clouds. Its light is gentle and warm. It watches over you quietly. You are lying down comfortably. Your body feels warm. The surface beneath you supports you completely. Feel your feet relaxing. Your toes soften. Your legs become loose and calm. The sound of rain is steady and soothing. Each drop brings more peace. Your breathing becomes slow and natural. In and out. Your stomach rises gently, then falls. Your chest feels light and relaxed. Your shoulders drop softly. All tension melts away. Your arms feel heavy and warm. Your hands relax completely. Your fingers loosen. Nothing is tight anymore. Your neck softens. Your jaw unclenches. Your face becomes smooth and peaceful. Your eyes feel heavy. They gently close. Outside, the rain continues to fall. Soft drops on leaves. Soft drops on the ground. Every sound is calm. Every moment is quiet. Your thoughts begin to slow. They drift away, like clouds moving across the night sky. You do not need to follow them. You can let them go. You are safe. You are calm. You are deeply relaxed. Each breath takes you deeper into rest. The night grows quieter. The rain becomes even softer. The moonlight gently surrounds you, like a warm blanket, like a gentle embrace. Your body feels heavier. Your mind feels lighter. Sleep begins to come naturally, without effort, without thought. You drift slowly, peacefully, comfortably. Nothing else matters now. No worries, no plans. Only rest, only calm. Your body knows how to sleep. Your mind knows how to rest. The rain continues its gentle rhythm, guiding you deeper and deeper. Your breathing is slow and steady. Your heartbeat is calm and gentle. You are floating in peace, wrapped in warmth, wrapped in comfort. Let go completely. Drift deeper, and deeper. The night holds you. The rain soothes you. The moon watches quietly above. Good night. Sleep well. Sweet dreams.